Today we're going to see if I'm any good at cutting my own hair. Doesn't that sound like fun? Where I live is still in lockdown, so I probably shouldn't go to the hairdresser or the barber. So my choices are to see how long my hair can get, or try and cut it myself. We are only going up to the pre-test stage today, which means I won't be doing a 1 hour practice. One main reason for only doing the pre-test is once I've cut my hair the first time, it takes a while to grow back, so it's very hard to do the 1 hour practice part. And I couldn't find any volunteers around here who were willing to let me practice on them. Before I started, all I did was think about what my hairdresser does when they're cutting my hair. And I remember they do this thing where they measure how long the hair is with their fingers, and then they cut above the fingers. So I thought that surely that's all I need to know. I'm going to try with just that. So that's what I did. Let's have a look.
The 1 hour learning challenge.
Okay, now it's time for the final reveal. How well did I do? Let's have a look. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, it's sticking up in the middle there. Yeah, that's actually not too bad. Apart from once I fix that bit that was sticking up in the middle, I'm pretty happy with that. I think I have bad news for my hairdresser. I'm going to have to tell my hairdresser I won't see them for a long, long time, because from now on, I'm cutting my own hair. I'm also delighted to have saved myself $25. Yeah! And another... Sorry. What's this? Oh. Good idea. Yes, good idea. So there you go. In this lockdown, I've learnt a basic form of calligraphy and I've cut my own hair. What have you been up to during this lockdown? Please let me know in the comments. Join me again soon for another 1 hour learning challenge. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything, including cutting your own hair. Hey, pretty good.